Welcome to our interesting fun science activities. Today we are going to find out why a plastic cup filled with water doesn't burn. Let's dive in. Pour some water into the plastic cup, but don't fill it all the way, just enough to have some fun with. Now I'm going to light the cup with fire. We'll see what happens. Check this out. The fire is only burning up to the water level and then stops. Why? Because water is a super cool agent literally. It absorbs the heat and keeps the plastic from getting too hot and melting. Let's find out the science magic. Water has a special power called high specific heat capacity. This means it can soak up a lot of heat without getting super hot itself. As the water absorbs the heat, it starts to evaporate. This evaporation cools down the plastic so the fire can't burn past the water level. So, there you have it. A plastic cup filled with water won't burn past the waterline because the water keeps everything cool and safe. Pretty awesome, right? Moral of the story is how investing in yourself actually protects you. Going to the next phase. When you light a candle, the solid wax melts and gets drawn up the wick thanks to capillary action. Then it vaporizes and starts to burn, giving off heat and light. Take a closer look at this move. When you blow out the candle, the wick stays hot for a few seconds. During this time, some of the melted wax still vaporizes. This means we have got some unburned vaporized wax and some unburned carbon particles, which is why you see smoke. Now, if you bring a flame near the smoke, it heats up the vaporized wax, causing it to combust again. The heat from this combustion travels back to the wick and lights it up again. So basically, you are relighting the candle from the smoke. Let's dive into an exciting science experiment to understand why a fuel starts burning only when it's heated to a specific temperature. Hold the piece of paper directly over the candle flame. Watch closely as the paper catches fire and burns. Wrap the paper around the glass. This is where the magic happens. Carefully place the glass wrapped with paper over the candle flame. You'll notice the paper getting heat and not burning. Here's the cool science behind it. When we place the paper directly over the flame, it quickly reaches its ignition temperature and burns. But when we wrap the paper around the glass flame, something interesting happens. The glass inside the paper absorbs the heat, acting like a super cool shield. This prevents the paper and the glass from getting hot enough to reach their ignition temperature. Hence, the paper doesn't burn. So, we have just demonstrated how glass can prevent the paper from reaching its ignition point and catching fire. Science is pretty awesome, right? And now, for the grand finale, you're about to witness something truly spectacular. Get ready because what's about to happen is pure magic. Just wait for a few seconds and watch until the very end. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Hope that adds a spark to your presentation. Hope you enjoy these fun activities. Don't try at home. Make sure you have adult supervision with these type of science tricks. Take care. Bye-bye.